to this massive 4-lane loop knockout race. So the rules are simple. 4 cars go head to head, race down this steep slope, go round this loop, and whoever crosses the finish line first wins. 2 competitors from each race will go through. This finish should tell us who wins each race, but just in case, our judge today is Professor Funling. Hello everyone! Oh, this competition will be great! Yeah! So everyone, get into your vehicles!
And let's begin. First up, it's Thomas, Patrick, Batman and Catboy.
Ready, go!
Fast race, and lane 1 won it, so that was Catboy. Well done, you're into the next round. Second chance for the other 3 now.
Ready, go!
Close again, but lane 3 won, and that's Patrick. Nice one. King Leonard, Iron Man, Forky and Michelangelo now.
Ready, go!
Lane 3 wins again, and that's Iron Man. Who else will go through?
Ready, go!
That was a win for King Leonard. Well done. Fairy Funling, Nemo, the Joker and Maleficent next.
Ready, go!
Victory for lane 1, and that's Maleficent, so you go through. Second chance for these 3.
Ready, go!
Fairy Funling reaches the finish first, so you're into the next round too. Chef Funling, Sarge, Red and Ace.
Ready, go!
Great race! Lane 2 wins, so well done Red. Who else will win?
Ready, go!
Only Ace crossed the finish line, so he goes through too. Wonder Woman, Ducky and Bunny, SpongeBob and Mike.
Ready, go!
Oh dear, 3 of them crashed. Only Mike crossed the line, so you win.
Can anyone cross the finish line this time?
Ready, go!
No, all 3 of them crashed again.
Yes, but Ducky and Bunny almost crossed the line, so I'm sending them into the next round.
The next races are... Oh, someone's missing.
Where's Blue? Oh, she's scared of heights. Who can race instead?
I can.
Huh?
I wasn't invited to the main race, but I guess I can race now, right?
We forgot to invite McQueen to race today. It doesn't matter. He's here now. Yeah, I guess so.
So it's McQueen, Mickey, Wildcat and Robot Funling.
Ready, go!
Only Robot Funling crossed the line, so you're into the next round. Second chance.
Ready, go!
McQueen wins it. So you're through too. Dory, Woody, Elsa and Captain America.
Ready, go!
Another good race. Lane 3 won it, and that was Woody. Who else will join him into the next round?
Ready, go!
Lane 1 wins, and that's the captain. Well done. And Darth Vader, the Flash, Red Ranger and Holly.
Ready, go!
Lane 4 wins, so well done Darth Vader. Last chance to reach the next round.
Ready, go!
Red Ranger wins, so you're into the next round as well.
So all of these cars won that round. Now, only 1 car from each race will go through to the final. Who do you want to win?
Catboy, Patrick, Iron Man and King Leonard.
Ready, go!
The winner was in lane 1, and that was King Leonard, so you're our first finalist. Maleficent, Fairy Funling, Red and Ace.
Ready, go!
Red reaches the finish first to become our second finalist. He really doesn't want King Leonard to win. Mike, Ducky and Bunny, Robot Funling and McQueen.
Ready, go!
Lane 4 won it, so well done Mike. 1 spot in the final left between Woody, Captain America, Darth Vader and Red Ranger.
Ready, go!
Very fast. Lane 1 wins, and that was Red Ranger. Well done.
So, this is it. The final. Between King Leonard, Red, Mike and Red Ranger. One race, one winner. But who will it be?
Ready, go!
Close race. Lane 1 is the winner, which means...
Red Ranger is our champion! Well done!